And chip designer AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, has been able to skirt most of the problems linked with global supply chain shortage by forecasting demand years in advance. The demand for electronics gadgets from people stuck in homes due to pandemic has led to shortage of semiconductors or chips that are used from anything from mobile phone and cars. But despite a squeeze in supply, AMD has been able to take market share away from rival Intel in both PCs and servers with its latest line of processors. Companies with existing ties with chip fabrication companies like Taiwan's TSMC were also able to guarantee a steady supply. AMD, which does not manufacture its own chips like Intel, depends on companies such as TSMC and global foundries to make chips for them. Contrary to automakers who are hardest hit by semiconductor shortage, it focuses on smaller, more advanced chips, which are less affected than supply of mass-produced older chips. AMD has been focusing on high-margin chips, which not only allows companies to channel resources, but increases revenue, projected to rise 65% this year. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.